Good morning, everybody. It is day 3. It's Saturday morning, about 8:30. It's already 80 degrees outside. The wind is already picked up again. It was nice and calm whenever I had my Coke Zero on the beach, but just a few minutes later, the wind's already picking up, and that's why we're hiding in the truck again today. Didn't want any wind noise. The girls are getting themselves together, getting ready to prepare breakfast. I need to dump the tanks. They're pretty full, so we are about to dump the tanks into our portable tank and take it to the dump station.
Take your bow, let's go. Okay, we are at the Discovery Cove Nature Center. Here's our little information sign when you first walk in. It's kind of hidden. There's a little road we came in on in the parking lot, but you go down this little sidewalk and it's right back here.
Hey guys, it's Saturday afternoon, still day 3. It has been so hot today. It's about 98 degrees outside right now. Girls are driving us crazy, so we loaded them up with sunscreen, and we're gonna go play on the beach for a little bit. No way.
These waves are so big.
She needs pull. How about flipped over? Does she need flipped over?
Don't flip me over.
There's a spider in there?
Yeah, let me have it. I can't see it, it's too dark. Come over here and look.
It's gonna be like in those videos when the spider comes running out and jumps on you.
Yeah. Come over here. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah?
Yes, I see it.
It's trapped. Okay.
Wow. Let me get a walk. Finger. Maggie, do you want to touch this? Is it clay? Sure. That's a big one. see lightning down there. Mama, see all those little lights over there? Up there in the sky. Walk to it.
So how much farther past the park?
That was that marina that we drove by today.
I better wait for
At night, you can throw the boat up there.
Yeah, let's just have a sailboat.
You can go party.
That's by where that welcome center was that you bought your necklace. And right behind you, those lights behind you are, that's where the nature center was.
Obviously, I'm buying like
Yep, I see lightning.
Well, it might be fireworks, huh?
Fireworks. Oh gosh.
But now,
You should not fireworks.